Hello, and welcome to Math Explained. This time we're going to be talking about rounding numbers. So this is just my basic math series. Okay, so rounding numbers. Let's say you have something like this. Gotta turn on my little pen. 2.5. Okay, so 2.5 is just a number. It's 2.5. That's all fine and good. But let's say you have to round something. Like maybe they want it to round to a whole number. Okay. So the question is, how do we do this? So let's say we have going this way, so we have a 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so these are the decimals that you can have. You can have from 0 to 9. And the way you do this is as follows. So anything that's a 5 or greater rounds up. So if you have a 2.5, that's going to round up to a 3. Anything that's below a 5, and it could be 0.49. So let's say you have 2.49. Well, that's not 0.5, right? That's less than 0.5, means that's less than half. So even though that's super close, that would round down to a 2. So this is all you're going to do. So let's say you want to round, let's say you have, let me copy my little scale over. Yes, it's an artistic creation. Okay, let's say we have like 2.5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 9, like that. And let's say you want to round to 4 decimal places. Well, that would be these 4 here. That would be your cutoff. So you want to know, and you want to round this one. That's the one you're going to round. So what you're going to do is you go, if you're rounding to 4 places, you go over and you look to the one just to the right of it. In this case, it's a 4. Now it's followed by 4, 9, right? Like it's followed by 9. But this itself is just a 4. So since this is less than 5, even though it's super ultra close to 5, if it's less than 5, then that rounds down. So that would be 2.5768. So that would stay like it is. So these round down to 0. If it were 2.51, it would round up. But yeah, so that's all you're doing with rounding. You go to the place that you want to round to. You look to the number just to the right of that. If it's 5 or greater, you round up. If it's below 5, you keep this number right here exactly the same as it is.